Hello everyone, my name is Roger Bassett. I've just been processing a new video. I hope you like it, but before you watch it, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It would be gratefully appreciated. Thank you very much for watching. Take care and God bless. Hello, it's Saturday the 24th of September. I'm currently outside the Ingrow Station, Keighley, situated on the Worth Valley Railway. Ingrow Bridge has been used by film crews, especially the television. TV commercials were filmed using the actual tunnel. One commercial in particular, I think Ronnie Corbett was involved. There was another film crew here at one point in the early 1970s. The film crew were filming a film about Pink Floyd, the rock band, who made a film called The Wall, situated using the railway banking. As I'm spanning around and showing you, they had a mechanical tree and stones and rocks that made a landslide down near to the track. Other film crews have viewed the location, one in particular being Peaky Blinders. The Worth Valley line has also been used by a film crew to film the 1970 film The Railway Children, directed by Lionel Jeffries. As you can see in the foreground, there's an engine shed, an actual museum with locomotives inside. As you can see, we can see the train departing on the line up to the next station stop, which will be the Mems.